This is an American nuclear submarine. After 40 years of service, it still leads the world. With its unrivaled destructive power, it has become a lethal weapon for the United States to dominate the world. It can launch 24 intercontinental missiles in turn. These missiles can produce more than 300 nuclear warheads, enough to destroy more than 300 cities simultaneously. The United States has 14 of these nuclear submarines, claimed to be able to reshape the world in half an hour. Russian-class nuclear submarine. As the largest submarine in the United States, its length reaches 170 meters, displacement up to 19,000 tons underwater. There are 3 large hatches inside the submarine, located at the back, middle and front. These warehouses are supplies, key channels for the replacement of mechanical components and equipment. The front of the submarine is a sonar dome, for the detection of enemy submarines in the watershed. Crew members can enter the loud dome through pipes, perform repairs and maintenance. There are 3 floors behind the loud dome. And on top of that is over-the-air TV, responsible for submarine communication. Below the wireless TV is the officers' area. Only officers are allowed in and out of here. They eat here. Office socializing and meetings. Directly below the officers' quarters is the officers' lounge. This is where the officers sleep. The backup in the officers' section is the medical room, open to the entire crew. It's a medical center on a submarine. The control room is the heart of the submarine, holding the front mirror, lower front plane and pressure chamber. The forward-looking mirror is like the eyes of a submarine. You can observe the situation above the water surface. Once the submarine dives deeper into the water, the periscope will be retracted into the submarine's interior. There is a main hatch next to it. The crew can take the submarine before diving. Use it to observe the surrounding environment to achieve gorge diving and floating. The submarine uses a special device. It's called the submerged plane. Make the submarine stable in a variety of environments. And vertical stability is used to achieve things like airplanes. Same turn. Ohio and nuclear submarines through 2 huge ballast tanks. Realize diving and floating. When these tanks are filled with water, the submarine will dive underwater. When they empty the seawater and replace it with air, the submarine will surface. To relieve the mental stress of the crew, the submarine also has a gym, study room, and laundry room. The laundry room is located below the study room, and right below the laundry room is the torpedo room. The torpedo room is the maintenance of torpedoes, storage, and launch sites. When launching a torpedo, you need to put the torpedo into the torpedo tube first, then close the hatch. Then the torpedo tube is filled with water. This is to match the pressure outside the submarine. Finally, the torpedo is pushed out of the submarine through high-pressure gas. The torpedo is guided to the target through the wire. As he approaches the target, the wire was cut. Torpedoes can hit the target. On an Ohio-class nuclear submarine, there are a total of 24 missile silos. Every silo, equipped with a 3X-class 2-star missile. This missile is a 3-stage intercontinental ballistic missile. Each episode is propelled by a solid-fuel rocket motor. Its range exceeds 10,000 kilometers. Like a torpedo, the missile is also launched through high-pressure gas. Once the missile leaves the water, the first section of the rocket booster will start. Fly towards the target. It can carry 12 to 14 nuclear warheads. 24 times the speed reachable factor. The power of each nuclear warhead, 8 times the size of the Hiroshima bomb. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.